Okay.
My God.
Okay, I guess we don't get too close.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
ดันรถอะแก้วถอยแก้วถอยแก้วถอยดิมันเอาเรื่องนะเป็นไรอ่ะมันจะกินของกินในรถน่ะ
You gotta be kidding me.
Wow, you ever seen anything that big?
No, never.
I think that's two guys in an alligator suit.
Ну чё ты, ну иди сюда, иди сюда, иди сюда, ну привет, ну дорогой, чё ты, как дела, как?
This dude is getting in the way of me going to the bar. And he's really scary. Please don't come this way. I don't like this. The bar is that way. Please move. Please move. Come on. Oh, f me. No! He has a boner.
Alex, he's putting the wind in it.
Alex,
Let's go in. Let's go in.
Okay.
Here it comes.
Okay. Go on.
He's huge.
Go on.
All right, I'm gonna close this door.
Go on.
Look at the camera and say goodbye to Hoss.
Going up the creek. There you go. There you go, going up that tree. There you go. Can you make it?
Not this way. Hopefully my brother could do something. That'd be great.
Yeah, but why can't they come and, like, you know?
Channel 7 News are coming right now.
Yeah.
Sheldon Fox in Westchester.
Let's get some Sheldon Fox in there with his suit on and with, like, the several layers that he has.
All right, I'm gonna jump in there and try to get him out, guys.
No!
Oh, he's on. He's on. Oh, he's gonna go up. Oh, he's going hard. Oh, shit. Get out of there, son. อะไรทั้งนั้นโอ้โหนี่แหละครับเวทีคุณโอ้โหแหมบอกไปนี่ดูว่าได้ มีลามด้วยอ่ะมีลาม
Here we go. You've eaten that lure. Jesus Christ! Holy moly! Right in the corner of the jaw. Holy moly, that was a big boy.
മര്യാദക്ക് പറഞ്ഞ
Não, que ele vai vir em cima da gente, mano. Olha o jeito que ele tá, filho. Olha lá, mano. Ó.
Aí ele volta.
Vai, Fusca, vai. Vai.
ไหนมันพันเป็นแบบเกียวขึ้นไปเลยเนาะ
Look at that! Oh my gosh! He's gonna scratch my clit! He's gonna scratch my clit! Oh! Oh my god! He just scratched my clit!
มาตัวสู้เลย
crap. Oh, you freak. Oh, he's eating apples from his hand. He's
Oh God, Pete, your pedal's close to that one. Sorry.
He just bites harder.
Does it hurt?
What's that? Got something in his mouth or something? Yeah, his arm. No, come on.